How's it going, everyone? Today I am telling you about the Japanese water park that people don't seem to really know about when they visit Da Nang. As you can see, it's kind of outside the city. It's not somewhere that you will easily find, and even my location on the map, you can see that I'm on the complete other side of the city. So you need to take a bike, a taxi, something like that to get there. You can see the name Mikazuki Water Park 365, which is Japanese themed, and it's also part of a hotel. It has an inside area and an outdoor area. However, I didn't record the outdoor area in this video because it's kind of awkward to bring your phone if you're going inside the water as well, and like it's pretty big, and there are places where you're in a stream and the stream takes you around the place, and it's just, yeah. But I recommend checking some pictures of it, and the outdoor area is great, and I'll show you some clips now of how it was when I was there, and you can decide for yourself what you think. So let's get into it. Alright, so when you enter, you come to this area, but you must pay 270,000 dong, which is around 9 British pounds or 11 or 12 US dollars. And this is for one adult person, so you can just walk to the entrance and pay there. You don't need to book online or anything. And yeah, when you come in, you put your things in a locker, you get changed, and yeah, you enter the water park. So this is the indoor area, which, yeah, I said I only filmed the indoor area, as the outside part it was a bit awkward to film. And right now I'm a little out of breath as I just finished doing a workout. But anyway, and swimming is a great workout too. I mean, what you do here, it's mostly water slides. There's even like a kind of roller coaster, which you'll see in a different video of mine, in a short video, and maybe there's a clip in this. But yeah, everything is pretty much Japanese themed. That was the bottom floor. The outdoor area, yeah, you should check some pictures. It's really beautiful in the sunny weather, especially. And on the first floor, they had this arcade, and with your entry, you get a free game. But not everyone. I think just people who have 2 tickets. So if you enter, like you and someone else, and you buy it together, then you get a free game in this arcade, and it overlooks the restaurant area and the main indoor swimming area. So you can come here, play different games. There's even table tennis or ping pong, whatever you want to call it, which I haven't played in a long time, so we decided to play, and it went pretty well. I mean, I won the games. I won 30 to 18. So yeah, that was pretty good. And that one you are meant to. I don't know how it worked exactly, but it was a bit weird. You had to buy for a certain amount of time for the table tennis. And then on the next floor, as you can see here, there was like a spa. This one is not included in your ticket, unfortunately, so this is just a little look around of how it is. And then you go to one receptionist or desk area, just to my left here. Yeah, and you can pay for different services, different massages or spa treatment. But no, we just decided to go to the top floor, which is included. It's like public baths, hot springs in the open air, and also a sauna. So here you get another locker. Downstairs you have a locker on the main floor, and then also you have this locker. So you see I have 2 different ones, and also a band that they give you on your wrist when you enter for the first time. And you put your things in there. You go into this water here, which is pretty hot, and it's body temperature 37.7 degrees it's meant to be. And in front of me in this video clip is the sauna room. That's the only one I saw, so not sure if there's another one. There's also this observation deck you can check out, and a few more hot springs outside. And really, that was pretty much it. So for the price, I would say it's pretty good. You can do your own research, but that's it from me. Just a short review of the place, and let me know what you think, or if you have any questions about it. And I do recommend going, so yeah, maybe I'll see you there.